Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are coming to a nice place. We are coming for Pharma Expo, and let's see what these people have for us. That's where registration took place, and because I had already registered, I went ahead, took some photos and got inside. This is the first desk that I visited, and because there wasn't much to be covered, I went to the next desk. Here is a filling machine. The person in charge went ahead and told me how it works. You just have to press that button and then the bottles will be automatically filled with the liquid medicines. Interesting, eh? Okay, there's nothing there, so I bumped into this place, but then these people seemed to be busy, so what can I do to keep myself busy too? I took one of their brochures, went through it to see if there's anything of interest to me. Yeah, and indeed there was something of interest to me, so we'll carry this brochure. But is there anything in my bag that is similar to that? No. So let's go. Now this is the place. I met a very friendly person who went ahead and told me that they come up with the machines that are used to manufacture medicines. Wow. This is something that is interesting to learn about. And if you're a pharmacy student, you can agree with me that you learn about the equipment in class. And it is until you go to the industry that you now get to see them. So he explained a lot of things. He was very knowledgeable. Showed me around. And seems like we had an interesting conversation. He then gave me his business card, such that in case I needed any of the equipment, I can contact him. Who knows? Maybe I'll need the equipment in future. So here we were being told about the blister inspection system, a sensor that checks if a blister is leaking once it has been used to pack medicine. And of course we got some sweets. Yeah, I'm a lover of sweets, so why not? So here are the injectables. We have the vials, the ampoules, the containers used to store the sterile products such as the eye drops. And it was nice seeing all of these on this table. So here they deal with the machines that are used to fill the vials and even powders. Vials. This one.
Ampule. The vial.
Then there is the eye drop. This one.
Yeah.
You can see that. And then this one they have. But they have good products.
They do.
I'll give you a lot of knowledge that will not help you.
We can absorb all that knowledge.
Do you know anything about HPLCs?
Yes.
HPLCs.
How about this one?
This is a centrifugal terms and edible soils and chemical companies and in pharma companies also use for that.
Okay. Beautiful. This one?
This is the different models. For example, if in the general mixing it works on the 400 RPM, like the clear liquid will be there, right? And like injectables and IVPM and eye drops for the eye drop. If you put some salts and sugars from the Bhopal, right? It should be settled before settling down. It should be dissolved for them, and it will for this it will go to 1500 RPM. Like this model is for work for them. And the third one is called like homogenizer and the suspensions.
Okay.
Suspensions. It works on the 3000 RPM and it will reduce to your particles of powder form. And basically, if you are this used for the immiscible like water and oil, it will be immiscible liquids are there and it will miss.
It makes sense. Nice.
Basically, the importance of this is the contactless. This is a magnetic driven product. Like it drives by the magnets.
Thank you. So these are some of the other things that we saw. They are packaging materials for creams, lotions, and many other things. And these are dietary supplements. Here are some wet wipes, including pet wipes. Now we registered where we could register, and these are secondary packaging materials. Nakumbuka
Yeah, detailing, the tableting equipment. Yep.
I don't think I need that.
Yeah. I think the event has come to a close, basically.
But it has been an awesome event.
It has. I know.
Do you have any manufacturing industry in Kenya? Manufacturing the wipes?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
A lot. Like Tena. Yeah.
I mean, even though I was confirming.
Done.
Because the cabin I've seen.
At this point, I thought there was a problem somewhere, but then I realized they only wanted me to give them some of my details. They are really nice people. We had a nice time. And we talked about various things. We then went to the conference hall where we had some amazing speakers that had been organized by the PSK, that is the Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya.
And see we can combine it with what we have in terms of the resources and make Kenya what we say. That vision of Kenya being a pharma hub we realized. And in line with that, I think we are going to follow up on those issues, on those the knowledge we got in here, and see how does it benefit us.
I wish to thank you all, participants, for their active interactions. The questions have been leading and guiding us. We've seen our failures and we've seen where we can improve. We need each other. And look forward to seeing you in the next expos. They have stated it comes after 2 years. Possibly, we'll see how long it will take. But it is my pleasure to invite you in the next expo. When it will be scheduled, where it will be, that will be communicated later. And allow me to close by saying the African proverb. If you want to go fast, please go alone. But if you want to go far, let's walk together. Together we can, dear colleagues. Thank you.
After the speeches, we were served some amazing lunch and we enjoyed.
This is hot. This is hot. This is doesn't have any.
Thank you.
This has chili.
Oh, without chili. Yeah.
This.
Okay, thank you.
Just sweet carrot. When you pick an apple, you pick water.
Okay.
Which one would you like? This one?
The one without chili. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Pick an apple and put some water.
We took the food and once you are done, we decided to go back to school. But wait, we got some flowers and we had a beautiful day. Come to the end of the day and we're heading back home, getting some flowers, some gifts, and we're going to unwrap them and get home. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Let's go. Let me say the name because and until we see you again, 2025.